Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kani kade ka update ya u status jong COVID. Agari ka tarik arbsau June arpo arpoi. Ki case thumai baro ke lok South Park ki bayu bandak si. Ki balak kya ki balak koit nag yu ki long batasi ki long aspak nag bufra bat ki bala khlat no ki long chungut tika total borok bagindon ki confirm cases ki long 1,000 plus pa nyu bufra total active cases ki badangsa adu menta ki active cases ki long 100,000 sospa arbusau ka total recovery ke bot ke belak khia adu menta total kilong 10,000 rus pa sobunyo i belak khlat no adu menta kilong plus pa nyo ka meeting review meeting mene kalau mat kentu ye ki MLA baro bagin khat ka meeting hagi konsulsi lajong bakin kerpat daga benta ban a ya vaksin hagi konsulsi Buffer jong ki MLA jong. Ya kaneka vaccination hagi baro ki constituency bangi ki MLA gidon nada dagin sa ai ka city si ki MLA baro nagaliang jong chief minister but honorable chief minister but honorable speaker sa issue not city ya ki baro ki MLA bakin pengklain ya kaneka vaksin hagi constituency jong ki. The vaccine status available now is around 98,000. We have already asked for more vaccine, but we cannot say exactly now when they are coming, but already we have sent a letter to get more vaccine from the government of India.
Total first dose kala koi san fulai hajar, saus pa frakufra. The total second dose kalau nyuk san hajar, sans pa saufundri. Total doses berhak mengilai kalau ndriulak lifestyle. The economic activity has to go side by side with the pandemic as it is now. As we could see at present, the cases are more or less constant, 400 to 500. And if we take the number of people who have expired from COVID. I'll give you only the figure, the rough figure, from January till May. The total number of deaths, total, is 8,000 plus. And only from COVID is only 400. So now taking that into consideration, taking the vaccination status, and we are very confident and very hopeful to see that this vaccination drive which we have undertaken will booster up and it will provide the necessary protection to the people of the state, plus it will give us, the health workers, the confidence. So what we can see now is there is a slight flattening of the curve, and with all the protocols in place and with the decision passed by the Honorable High Court, wherein it was clearly stated that those who spread rumors about the efficacy of the vaccination, severe action can be taken by the government. In these times of pandemic, we don't want to go into all those things. But we have seen the malicious intent of certain sections, wherein something which is good, they have painted it to be bad. That, I think the government will take a very strong action on this. So as of now, as we progress, as we move on, we hope that although COVID will always be with us there, we will be able to adapt to the situation and let life go on as usual.